We'd been looking forward to the stop for weeks, our first hot spring on the Great Siberian Sushi Run. In our heads, it was going to be the perfect soak with mountain views and gentle steam. What we didn't expect was a hot spring that was, well, actually hot. Like stick your toe in and instantly question your life choices hot.
It's really hot.
Flame lasted 5 seconds. I tried to be tougher, but even I started cooking. And just when we thought we were done, I went exploring and, well, stumbled onto something pretty cool. Wow. Right now we're cruising the inside fjords around Bellacoola, British Columbia. Steep granite walls towering, low clouds drifting in, a wild coastline where rainforest meets sea. We've dropped into the lesser-known spot Taleo Hot Springs on the west shore of South Bentinck Arm. It sits on the traditional territory of the Newhalk people who've lived in this region for thousands of years. The name Taleo officially appears in the records as of 1953, but in the Newhalk language, the site has been known for generations as a natural thermal spring where the land literally gives off heat. Surrounded by the lush central rainforest and the quiet arms of the fjord, it's a kind of place you reach only by boat or dinghy. No easy drive in here. Among the quiet waves and dripping moss-covered trees, you can almost feel how this land has been held and respected for centuries. It's time. We are stern anchored, we are secure, and we are ready to go check out the Tally-Ho Hot Springs with maybe some adult bevies. There is a boat over there though, so we're hoping if we intrude on them, they'll leave.
They've had it for like an hour.
Have they?
Something like that.
So we've given them privacy, but now it's time to get some hot springs going. Some hot spring action, right, Iz? Yup, and right back onto the phone. Oh, we forgot the fender Izzy. So this is South Bentinck Arm. Just down there and around to the right is Bellacoola, which we're going to tomorrow the next day. We don't know. So if you want to see how we're stern tied, what you do is we put the anchor down and we got it tight and hooked it. And then we ran our stern line to a big tree right up in there. So we are basically secured. The stern line is out of the water. The anchor chain is on an angle. It will loosen off as the tide goes down, but we have what, a 9-foot tide today?
Something like that, yeah.
So we should be okay. We've got what, 50 feet under the stern, or under the,
And the lowest point of the tide is until 7 or 8 tomorrow morning.
Okay.
So we'll be probably close to a week by then anyway.
And looking at where we are, we have 50 feet under the keel, which is crazy to me. Like, you can go right up, which is why we had a stern tide, because it's so deep.
Yeah.
Ready?
Ready. I think that's the hot spring, babe. I think that's the hot spring. Welcome to Tally-Ho Hot Springs. And you know what? It's hot. This hot springs is the hottest hot springs in British Columbia, 69 degrees Fahrenheit. And it is burning. Izzy couldn't even get all the way in, and Blaine hasn't got all the way in yet. And I probably won't with this temperature.
Too hot?
It's really hot. If it's hot for the women, it's definitely going to be unbearable for me.
Izzy's got a perfect line where the hot water went. But there is a bathing pool over here, which we're going to go take a look at too. But there is a bridge, which we don't know where it goes to. We may have to go take a look. Let's go. So this place is very sacred for the local First Nations. They do come here for ceremonies. And it says online that if they're here doing a ceremony,
to give them the privacy, which makes sense. It's a respect. But it looks pretty empty right now. Met a lovely couple here. They're out fishing, so chatted to them. And now I'm following an unknown trail. We're just heading north of the hot springs right now. I understand there was a cabin over this way, but I did read from Google that it burnt down, so I don't know. Nothing like hiking in flip-flops and a bathing suit. I'm at the beach. This is all sedge grass here. It's pretty wild to walk on. There's something over here though. So we've got rocks and unnatural human-placed rocks. I always love when there's a log to walk on. It makes life much easier. Something over there. Somehow I gotta get down though and go over there, which means backtracking a bit. There's definitely something in there. Interesting. Wow. It's almost like a little campground. Benches, fire pit. I think this is where the old cabin was. You can see some remnants of it. Let's go see. Yeah, this must be where the old cabin was, right up in here. Huh. You see the burned area. It is so interesting to find these hidden places that's hard to learn about. But supposedly this creek is hot too. We're gonna go see. Interesting. So it looks like there's a change house here. Or an outhouse, I'm not sure which. Want to take a peek? Of course you do. Please don't be a dead person. Outhouse. I'm petrified of finding a dead person, people. Like, a bridge across here. Yeah, that's cold. I don't know what they're talking about. That's not hot. But it is pretty. Old bed spring, of course. Yeah, I think it's just a camping spot. And it looks like another little trail up here with another building. I wonder if this is all for the First Nations. I don't know if I'm intruding or not. There's another place. Washroom? Maybe? Another washroom. Definitely a loo with a view. Huh, okay. Let's go back to the hot spring. Because this creek is not hot. And right now Blaine's probably going, I wonder where my wife is. Quite peaceful here though. I can see why people would come here in tent. See if I can walk the logs back. I'm all good, Blaine. Coming back. Big tree. It's one of those ones where you just have to commit and go for it. If you go halfway and question yourself, you're gonna fall on your ass. You just gotta commit. So this. Just gotta commit. Okay, much faster going back. Much faster going back than getting here. Pretty mucky though. I might want to try that other hot spring that's not so hot. I wonder if this water is hot. Oh, gotta check. It's warm. It's not cold, just warm. This log's a bit sketchy. Whoever built these bridges, they're pretty nice. Woo! Good hike, but it's time to go back in. Whew, okay. Woo. You're right, it's hot. But it's nice.
It's really hot. It's too hot to be sweltering for more than like 2 minutes.
You know what's really cool is someone put a can holder here. And I think it's been here for a while because I've seen it in other YouTube videos. It's like the floating pool table. Perfect. This hot tub or hot spring is amazing. It's only accessible by boat or airplane, from what we understand. You can't hike to it, you can't drive to it, and it's pretty rugged and in the wilderness. But it's hot.
Technically, you could hike to it, but it'd be probably a really long, miserable hike.
Long, miserable hike. But it's almost too hot.
It's really hot. Like
The people that were
stinking hot.
the people that were here before us actually plugged the hose with a stick because it is like 69 degrees water coming out. And there is a lower pool here, which I'll show you. I didn't go into it. But Blaine, what do you think about the lower pool?
Lower pool is excessively scummy. Like, I think people actually bathe in there, and it had like the usual algae in there, and then it had like almost like white soap scum in there too, which just gross.
Don't get us wrong, this part is great.
Crystal clear.
That part, disgusting.
A lot of,
yeah.
You're sitting in there with black floaties.
Okay, it is pretty, but someone left a cloth in it or their underwear. We're not sure what.
It's pretty gross.
It is green algae, eh? Huh, that's too bad.
It's nasty.
Anyways, it is stunning. We've got Tongaroa right across the arm from us. Izzy's enjoying her first hot spring.
Minutes.
She was in it for about 2 minutes, so was I. But that's okay because we're going to head towards Bella Coola and then we're going to go to the next hot spring. So I'm thinking we're going on a hot springs tour of the central north British Columbia coast because we found a map of all the hot springs.
Yes.
And there's a lot of them. And we've been to a few already.
Yukot was the next one.
Yeah, we're going to Yukon next. But Butler Bay is on there.
Bishop Bay. You always get that wrong.
Bishop Bay is on there, which we've already been to. Tofino Hot Springs, which we've already been to. So, yeah, on a positive note, this is a really good bridge to sit and have a beer and cider on.
It is.
And look out.
The view is pretty epic.
There are snowy mountains. Want to see our view? I wish you guys were here with us, right here. So this is a goal. Send Blaine over to get the dinghy and have him bring the dinghy closer for us because the tide has gone out and that's a bit of a cliff to get down to the dinghy now. Izzy and I don't feel like climbing it. Plus, I've had 2 ciders and I already don't have very good balance, so let's see what Blaine can do. You got this, Blaine. Go, Blaine, go. So just to let you know, the dinghy is on bungee cord anchor line. Oh, he's going to cheat. He's not bringing the whole dinghy in. Oh, do you want us to start coming down to you?
Maybe, but let me make sure that I got enough bungee to get in here.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, I got one of the girls in.
Come in.
This is a lot of tension.
Come in.
Oh, Dad, hold it.
Hold the line!
Ouch. Flip-flops.
Easy. So come down through here, down right here, and then you can go over that rock.
Be very careful.
Am I going on here? Yep.
Don't trip. All right.
Okay, I gotta hold on to Izzy's head. Got it.
You're stunting my growth. Sorry.
Okay, ready? Watch this release.
Go. Woohoo!
Zoom, zoom, zoom!
Oh, I'm liking the bungee. Bye-bye, Talio Hot Springs. Whew. Okay. Back to Tongaroa to make some dinner. Hope you guys had fun checking out Talio Hot Springs with us. Absolutely stunning. Very off-grid. Absolutely loved it. A little bit too hot. But tomorrow, we are off for another adventure. So, see you next week.
If you're having fun watching this, come join our online crew. It's a simple way to support the channel and be part of the adventure. Before you head out, don't miss the video where our drone picks up a couple of incredible surprises. If you haven't subscribed yet, even on your TV, you can do it with your remote. Just go up, then over to the right and hit subscribe. It really helps our channel out.